Hello everyone, welcome to Moving Violations. I'm Russ LeBlanc, NEC consultant for EC&M. I spotted this raceway right here feeding this light pole, and it is separated. Check that out. So now water can get in there, and certainly critters like mice. Don't want that to happen because they like to chew wires. I would definitely be concerned about water getting in there. Here in New England, that water could freeze and turn into ice, and that could expand and break the raceway. Certainly don't want that to happen. Maybe an expansion fitting could have helped prevent that, or maybe using a flexible wiring method like Liquidite flexible non-metallic conduit. Maybe that would have helped prevent that separation of the raceway there. But in any case, it's a violation of 300.14 since that raceway is not continuous anymore. You can see that separation right there.